Preparing your pet for travel, the ultimate checklist. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an essential topic for all pet owners who love to travel with their furry friends. The pet travel checklist. Understanding what this checklist entails will not only ensure a smoother journey for you and your pet but also highlight the importance of being well prepared. Let's make sure your next adventure is safe and enjoyable for both you and your companion. The term, pet travel checklist, refers to a comprehensive list of items and preparations needed for traveling with pets. This includes essential documents, travel accessories, and health-related preparations to ensure your pet's safety and comfort during the journey. Whether you're traveling by car, plane, or train, having this checklist handy is crucial. Before embarking on your journey, ensure all necessary documents for your pet are in order. This includes vaccination records, ID tags, pet passports for international travel, and any specific health certificates required by airlines or destinations. Additionally, health preparations are vital. Visit your vet for a checkup to ensure your pet is fit for travel and to discuss any necessary vaccinations or preventatives for fleas, ticks, and other parasites. Packing for your pet is just as important as packing for yourself. Essential items include food and water. Bring enough of your pet's regular food for the trip, along with collapsible bowls for feeding and hydration. Comfort items. Familiar toys and a blanket can help soothe your pet during the journey. Leash and harness, for safety during stops and transitions. Waste supplies. Poop bags or a portable litter box for cats are must-haves. First aid kit. Prepare for any minor injuries or discomforts that might occur. On the day of travel, there are several steps to ensure a smooth experience. Exercise your pet. A good play session before leaving can help them relax. Feeding schedule. Feed your pet a light meal a few hours before departure to prevent travel sickness. Comfort breaks. Plan for regular stops if traveling by car, or ensure your pet has used the bathroom before a flight or train journey. Traveling with pets can be a wonderful experience, but it requires careful planning and preparation. By following a pet travel checklist, you can ensure that your furry friend stays safe, comfortable, and happy throughout your journey. We hope this video helps you prepare for your next adventure together. Safe travels, and see you in our next video.